You are welcome to another video tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an email account using our mobile device or our laptop or desktop computer. And we have different platforms related to creating of email account, which as a computer user you can use these platforms to create your email account. We have Outlook, we have MSN, we have Hotmail, we have Gmail. We have so many platforms you can access to create your email account. But I am going to use two platforms, which are the Gmail, which is the Google Mail, and also Yahoo Mail. And what is an email? Email is a terminology or a network communication system that allow email users to send and receive information over the internet. So it means if you have no internet connection, there is no way you can use your email account or you can create an email account. Now, the essence of every computer user creating an email account is you can share ideas and information with friends and families. And also, if you want to perfectly use your computing device which needs a Google account, it is necessary for you to create an email account. So let's dive in and see how to create an email account both on a laptop or desktop computer or the mobile device. Now, to do this, you have to make sure you have your internet connectivity. So at the right bottom corner, you can see I have my internet access. And also, you have to note the favorite browser you want to use. And I am going to use the Google Chrome to perform this operation. So I'm going to launch the program on my taskbar. And this is the interface of Google Chrome. And when it comes to creating of email accounts, it doesn't matter whether it is your personal PC or a colleague PC. You can still use these procedures to create your email account. So in the address bar, I'm going to search for Gmail. And after typing the Gmail in the address bar, you get this interface. If this PC has not been signed with any email account, you are going to get this interface. And if it is a colleague computer or a friend computer who has also signed out from his or her email account, you are going to see their email account displayed in this interface. We are going to create an email account, therefore we are going to choose use another account. And this asks you to enter your email account, and we don't have any email account yet, so we are going to click on create account. And it gives you these options. It says for myself, for my child, and to manage my business. Let's go for myself because we want a personal email account. And you are going to get this template, that is Google create your Google account template. And this template is going to demand for your first name, last name, and also create your email address and input a confidential password to keep your email address safely. So I'm going to enter my first name. Then I enter the last name. Then we come to this field that says username, and Google has detected a default email address, and if I want to use this one, I can go by this one. But if you want to change, you can click and change your username. Then you click on the password field and enter a password for this email account. Then you click in the confirm field to type your password to send a confirmation to Google. Then you scroll down and click on next. Now in this interface, Google is asking for your phone number, so you enter your phone number in this field. Then you scroll down and it asks you, do you have any recovery email address? And this option is optional. I'm not going to enter any email address here, and below we have month, day and year. This is where you are going to choose your birthday. So you choose the month, then you enter the day and the year as well. Then you choose your gender, whether you are a female or male. Then you click on next. This is the next interface after entering your date of birth and your phone number. And when you scroll down, it asks you, do you agree to their terms and privacy? So you can take your time and read through all these terms and privacy governing your email account. Then you click on agree. And you can see that I have this interface that relates to the email address I just created. So when I move to the top right corner, you can see I have this initials, and this initials has the name of my Google account and also the email address. So I have perfectly created an email account using the Google Mail option. Now that I have this interface, I can perform any operation within this interface. I can compose a message. I can also check my inbox or my stored folder if I have any message within these options. Now, it is advisable to log out if you are done using your email account. So to do this, you click on the initials, then you move to sign out. Because we have different email addresses here, that is why we have this option as sign out of all accounts. If you have only one email address, you are going to see the sign out option here. So let's click on this to sign out. Anytime you have any work done with your email address, you make sure to sign out to prevent other people using your email account. Now let's see how to create an email account using the Yahoo. So let's create a new tab. In the address bar, I'm going to search for Yahoo. And you are going to land in this beautiful interface of Yahoo search engine. And beside the search box, we have this option that says sign in. Currently, there's no email address for Yahoo. Therefore, we are going to create a new email account using this Yahoo option. So let's click on sign in. And you are going to have this interface, and in this interface we have this email address, and this email address has been signed out. Therefore, if you want to create a new email account, we scroll down and choose use another account. Then we are going to have this sign in option. Let's scroll down and select create an account. You can also use this option to create a Gmail account. So let's click on create an account. And you're going to have the same template, and this is where you enter your first name, your last name. So let's do that. Now when you click on this field, it gives you these options, and if you are satisfied with these options, you can select any of these options. But if you want to enter your own email address, you can erase and type. Then you type your password for this email address. We have this phone number here. You have to select your country code. So you click on this drop down arrow and choose your country code. Then you type your phone number. After typing your phone number, you select your month. Then you type your gender here. Now that we are done with the filling of this template, let's click on continue. Now we are going to click on this text me a verification code through this phone number so that we can verify our email account. Now I have received a verification code and I'm going to type it here. Then you click on verify. Now it says that success. It means that we have successfully created our email account. Now let's click on done. Now in this interface, when I move to this initials, you can see that I have signed in with this newly created email account, And if I want to see if I have any received message, I can click on this mail tab or this mail tab, and this will land me to my email account interface. So this is a newly created email account, and this is the interface I have received. So I can compose a message, I can also check in my inbox, I can perform any operation within this interface. And as I said earlier, if you are done using your email account, you have to make sure to sign out. So let's click on the initials and choose sign out, or from this. And now I have signed out. So if I want to use my email account, I have to enter my username and also my password. Let's see how to create an email account on our mobile device. Now let's see how to create an email account on our mobile device. On your mobile device, click on the menu button, and this will expand the icons on your screen. And I'm going to show you a simple way to create an email account on your mobile device. Click on the Gmail icon on your screen, and this will open this interface. If this is your personal device, you have this interface with no sign in. You have to sign in. And if it has been already signed in and you want to create a new account, you also get this interface. And if this device is your friend device, you're also going to have this interface. Now, how can we create an email account using this interface? Click on the three dashes at the top left corner, and you are going to have the email account which is currently signed in with this device. Choose the drop down arrow beside the email address, and you will see an option that says add account. Let's click on it once, and you have this interface. It says that set up email. We have different email platforms here. We have Google, we have Outlook, Hotmail, Live, we have Yahoo, we have Exchange, we have others. We are going to use the Google. So let's click on it once. So this is processing to check all the information that we need to create this email account. Now we have this interface as compared to what we had on our laptop and desktop computer. It is asking for your email address, but currently we don't have any email address. So let's choose create account. Then we have these two options. Let's select for myself. Now it asks for your first name, so you have to type your first name. Then you type your last name. Then you click on next. Now this is going to ask for your basic information about your birthday and your gender. So you select the month, you select the day, you select the year, then you choose your gender, then you click on next. Now they are going to give you these options, and if it is very satisfactory to you, you can choose any of them, or you can also create your own Gmail address as we did on the laptop or the desktop. So let's select any of these options and click on next. Now it asks you to enter a strong password. Then you click on next. Now this is where it's going to ask you for your phone number, so you make sure to enter your phone number in this field. Then you click on next, and this will create your email account successfully. So let's skip this and see how to create an email account using the Yahoo on our mobile device. So on the mobile device, let's choose a browser on our screen, and I'm going to use the Phoenix browser. If you have any favorite browser on your mobile device, you can choose it. So I'm going to choose the Phoenix. Now in the search box of Phoenix browser, I am going to search for Yahoo. Then I click on search. And this will open this interface for me. And I'm going to choose Yahoo Mail. Now, this interface is asking for your sign in option. And currently we have no account for Yahoo. So let's click on sign in. Now we're going to have this beautiful interface that says enter your email address to sign in, and let's choose create an account. And you have these templates. You make sure to fill in these templates. So we type the email address. Now I have this email address, and let's type a password. Then you select your phone number by choosing your country code. Then you type your phone number. You choose your date of birth. Then you type your gender. Then you click on continue. Now it says that verify your phone number. Click on the text me a verification code, and Yahoo will send you a code. You key in into the next interface, then your Yahoo account is successfully created. So this is how to create email account using Google Mail and Yahoo Mail, both on the laptop and also our mobile device. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like and see you in the next tutorials.